First, you have to find a platform for writing blogs. In this video, I will use Blogger for example. You can just go to this website and click create your blog. You can simply use your Gmail account if you have one. I will use Tianhao as I nickname. I'm sorry because my account was in Chinese, so you can see the website in Chinese. But I think you can understand. So click this button to create a blog. And the title I will use my first blog. The main name will be like tianhao.blogspot.com. Embedded. Just another one. Maybe it tells me. And you can choose a template from these ones. Maybe just the first one. Yeah. Then you can start writing in this document. Let's just type some random words. Hello everyone, this is my blog. Feel free to leave some comments. Yeah. And click publish. Okay, your first blog is written and published. So I think it's easy for you, right?